Slow Cars Inc. here. Today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of a generator that I haven't been able to find an unboxing for anywhere on the web. I've looked around and looked around, I've found nothing. So we've got the Westinghouse WPro8500 here, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a little look into an unboxing as well as a review later. That'll come in another video. So we'll go ahead and get this unboxed, and we'll go ahead and show you some of the setup as well. Go ahead and go through all those different processes of unboxing, setup, break-in, and I'll kind of do some coverage on it like that. And again, you know, my break-in is going to be a lot more thorough than what the manufacturer recommends, so we're going to kind of go through it that way. And I'll kind of break these videos out into a series and make a playlist for anyone who's trying to gather information on this generator. So let's go ahead and get to it. We'll just get started.
Whoa, hoo, hoo.
You've got a quick start guide here. Got your warranty card. Back on the back. You've got your emissions control warranty. Okay. Just getting a good look. Cardboard off top. Okay. Plastic bag. What you've got here. Set this aside. Okay, you've got your 12-volt battery charger for your electric start. Okay, there is a 12-volt battery included with this generator. All right, so this you can plug into a wall outlet and make sure and trickle charge that battery. Beefy gas cap. I know this doesn't seem like a big deal to most people, but this is a big deal to me, and I'll explain to you why. This company that is building things to a price decided it would be worth it to put this nice big colorful quality alert almost. Hey, is there a quality issue with this product? Let us know. Is it something with shipping, etc.? You need to let us know what's going on. You know, and that to me speaks highly of their quality department, that they actually care. Okay. Whoops. So what you've got here is your wheel kit. Okay. It's got double bearings on there, not a single sleeve bearing. So there's a bearing here as well as a separate bearing there. You have never flat tires, which do have a little bit of give to them. Similar to the never flats you'll find on any generator. You've got your forward feet as well. There'll be 2 of those. Okay, that's all part of the wheel kit. We've got a baggie here. Seems to be our hardware bag, as well as a couple other things. We've got a funnel to add oil. Like to see that. That's pretty sweet. These are the pins for the wheels. And here's the hardware kit that goes with them. I'm not going to take all that out. So you got some washers, a couple nuts to attach those forward feet, a couple cotter pins to lock into that hole right there. Okay. Got a quart of Westinghouse 4-stroke oil. So what I'm going to do, instead of cutting, I'm going to pull the staples here. Right. Something. Yeah. Exactly. Perfect, man. Perfect. Couldn't be any better. Okay. Pull this guy out of this box. It's going to be a little bit of a wrestle. Ready? The whole box is sliding. This will work. Actually, it has guards on it to prevent you from damaging the finish. Hopefully this will help someone in the future. I'm going to go ahead and conclude the unboxing of the Westinghouse WPro8500. If you guys have any questions about it, drop it in the comments. If you like the content here, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like. If you dislike, go ahead and hit that dislike and let me know what I can do to improve this content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video and it gives you all the information you need. We'll catch you guys with the next video of this generator when we start this baby up. Alright guys, have a fantastic day or night, however you look at it.